What's up guys, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I encourage you to take that first step. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some equipments that are essential for a small YouTuber, for your success on YouTube in order to grow your YouTube channel, right? So let's get into the video. Alright, so as a small YouTuber, there are some equipments that is very vital to your success on YouTube. So if you're a small YouTuber or you are someone who want to start a YouTube channel, you must have this equipment, a recording device. So whether it be a camera or a smartphone that has average camera, meaning that the video quality won't be too pixelated or distorted, right? So yes, you need a recording device. Currently, from I start YouTube, I use my cell phone and it's pretty good. It's not great, but it's not bad. So it's average, right? So you need a recording device. Is what I use to film most of my tutorial videos, right? This is a tripod. This tripod is coming very handy when I want to do tutorial video without my hand shaking and stuff like that. Also, say for instance it's in the evening, it has lights that colors can change according to your environment. So for instance, you are in the dark, you can turn up the brightness to bright, dull, dim and stuff like that. So it's really great. Also, it can adjust in height. So these right here are adjustable, so you can either make it shorter, longer and stuff like that. These joints, so you can adjust the height of the tripod and stuff like that. So yes, you're going to need a tripod as well to make everything be more professional. Yes, so in addition to the tripod and the recording device, you're also going to need something to edit your video on, right? Some persons can edit their video on their phone. I have never edited a video on my phone. I don't know why, but you have a lot of apps out there that you can use to edit your YouTube videos on your mobile phone. So if you have a mobile phone, the only thing that you need to start is probably a tripod. And I said you need a tripod sometime because by holding the phone something, it's just gonna look like a vlog. But if you want to have a professional video where, like for instance this one. What's up guys, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I encourage you to take that first step. That's a professional video. It looks more professional than this one because this one I'm just holding the phone here and you can know that I'm holding the phone because the phone is shaking, right? So a tripod would come in handy to step up the thing. Also, if you have a laptop, that would be great. I think a laptop you can use software like Wondershare to edit your YouTube video and that will give it a push, a little spunk, right? And if you can't edit with your phone, because I know editing on your phone you have to be really good because the screen is small and stuff like that. Whereas if you don't have a good proper smartphone, the screen is too small, right? So if you have a laptop or a desktop, so currently I have a desktop which I use to edit my thumbnails and also to edit my videos. Currently I use Wondershare, so that's my video editing software, right? That's my video editing software. So I use Wondershare to edit my YouTube videos and it gives me pretty good results, right? So that's my small setup. Basically I just have so basically if you're a small YouTuber and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, you just need a smartphone or a camera that can do your recording and stuff like that. An average smartphone that can do average video recording or a camera that can shoot average videos. You don't really need a fancy thing while you're just starting out